Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can stop people from downloading, copying data or printing a view-only Google spreadsheet that you share with them. Let's get right into it. So firstly, locate the Google spreadsheet you want to share with people, then hover over it and go to the More Actions button at the end. It will be a button with 3 dots. Click on it, then click on Share, then click on Share. And firstly, for general access, you want to click on the drop-down box and click on Anyone with the link. Then click on this drop-down box and make sure Viewer is ticked. Then click on the Settings button up here. Then you're going to want to untick underneath people who can download, copy and print, commenters and viewers. Unticking this will mean people with view-only or comment access can't download it, can't copy data from it, can't make a copy of it, and can't print it. Then click on the back arrow, then click on Copy Link, then click on Done. And that's all you need to do. Now, whenever you share this Google Sheets file with other people, and they either have view-only access or comment access, they won't be able to download it, make a copy of it, copy data from it, or print it. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.